In this video, we will compare Quicken Simplifi versus Quickbooks. Quicken Simplifi and Quickbooks are both financial management tools, however, they serve different purposes and are designed for different users. Quicken Simplifi is a more user-friendly personal finance tool that is focused on budgeting, tracking expenses and goal setting. For basic financial insights, it is geared towards individuals who want to create and use a simple app to manage their personal finances. Simplifi provides automated categorization of transactions, spending reports and mobile-first functionality, making it a great option for people looking to track their money without a complex system. On the other hand, Quickbooks is more robust, a primary solution designed to help small businesses and self-employed professionals do their taxes. Quickbooks excels in accounting, financial management for businesses, offering features such as payroll, expense tracking, profit and loss, and tax planning. It also integrates with various business and tools to provide an in-depth analysis, making it ideal for many businesses financing and tracking sales and organising taxes. QuickBooks can handle more complex financial data, including accounts payable and received, and offers features for collaboration with accountants or business partners. In summary, Quicken Simplifi is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a straightforward personal financial tool, while Quickbooks is more suitable for businesses who need a more advanced accounting and financial management software. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.